everyone, thanks for stopping by to see what I am up to today. And today I have my Allure beauty box for January 2020. We're going to get right into it and see what is in this box. I always try my best not to look at spoilers and see what other people show. So you get a little booklet, and I do get this through Amazon now. I do not go through Allure's direct website, and this will just tell us what's in the box. This is what it looks like. I do believe, I know your first box, and I think it's this way when you go through their website too, but I know it is definitely for Amazon. Your first one is $10, and then after that it is $15, and you do sign up as a subscription, so it just automatically comes out and ships. I think the same day you ordered it the first month, it just, continues that way, which I'm fine with. I'd rather deal with Amazon than this company. I'm just not, even though it's all coming from them, but I prefer dealing with Amazon. And this is what the inside of the box looks like this month. Looks like we got some nice products in here. Nice products. This is New Year, New You, according to the 2020 vision. And let's just go with the first thing I see. It looks like you could have gotten an either or. You will receive either Tarte. Is it just Tarte? These three mascaras, are they all Tarte? Yes, I think so. They're all Tarte, right? Yeah. So there was 3 choices for the first product. So this is what the first product is, and this doesn't look like a small box. Is it sealed? No. So this first product, if I can get it out, has a, oh wow, this is full size. This is Tarte's, I think Tarte Gifted Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. And this is wood, right here. I'm not going to open this because once you open it, it introduces air, and I don't want it to start to go bad because they do have, let me see how long this tells you, 6 months from the time you open it, so I don't want to open it. But this is a nice full-size mascara. And I do have some Tarte ones, but that's very nice. I'm not mad at that at all. And you could have gotten the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes or that one. I think it was just the 2. Yeah. So this page in the book lets you know that you could have gotten one or the other. So that's nice. I would have taken either one. I wouldn't have been mad at that. Oh, we have a Kate Somerville product. And this is sample size. And this is her Exfoliate. And, oh, I'm sorry. I just want to see if there's a price for the mascaras. $23 for that mascara. So either one would have been $23. And then the Exfoliate, and that is full size. So this is a sample size. So this is $75 for 1.7 ounces. And this is 0.25 fluid ounces. Now I think I've had several of the full size, and this stuff works wonderfully. You just cannot use it too often. But it does work. So this is the little sample size. So I will probably be sharing that with one of you in a future giveaway. Like I said, I still have, I think, pretty much one of mine. And I know I've used one. I've given one. I mean, it's a great product. Kate Somerville, a lot of her stuff is pretty good. What is this next one I see here? Well, the Exfoliate is $175 for a 5-ounce bottle and $75 for a 1.7 ounce. Wow, that's expensive. So then this, we have something from Philosophy, and I love Philosophy of a brand. I use their Purity Made Simple and their Micro Delivery Exfoliating. I have them in the huge pumps. I think I've shown them in my skincare, my favorites that I did last year. And I've had the Hope in a Jar and all I have their like body sprays and perfumes and all that stuff. And this is Hope in a Jar water cream, and this is a little sample. And the full size is $39. And this is just a sample. And I'll put that back in. And that's very nice. I love anything that's a water cream. And I'll show you the page that's right here. And I can take pictures of these so you guys, if you want to read anything about these, just to see what it's all about. But Philosophy is a wonderful brand. And this next thing is from Allure Skin, and this is Pure Lip Restoration, and the full size is $30. I don't know if this is full size or not. I don't think so. I mean, it might be because it's like a little tin. I don't know if it's full size or not. I would have to look this up on their site, but I would assume that they would have a bigger one. And this is just like a tin, and I can never get these things open. It's a twist. Okay, I cannot get it open. I don't have the strength in my hands, but this is what it looks like. Cute little sample. If this is a little sample, and that's right here in the book. You can see that. And that's always nice to have. Then the next thing that I see is, get it out. Oh, it's got a little lip on it. And this is from, I don't know what she's barking at. She must hear a noise. Just sit down and be a good girl. Okay. And this is from a company called vitabrid.com. Full size is $62, and this is a serum, dual drop serum, age defying and deep hydration. Absolutely, bring it on. Oh, that's really nice. Look at that. So that's, you can see that's like 3/4 full, has a nice dropper. Let's see if this is right here. So it's on the thin side. It's not, I thought it looked like a gel at first. Oh, that smells nice. Nice and clean and fresh. I'm excited about that too. Why not? And then the last product I see in here is from Perfect Shine, I guess is the name of the company. No, Nature Lab Perfect Shine Oil Mist. And this is for your hair. And this is $16. And this is a sample. This is 1 ounce, and I think $16 is for 4 ounces. And this is from Nature Lab is Tokyo, and this is sealed, so I'm not going to open that up. An oil mist. What does that get used for? Color heat protectant, paraben free. Okay, it's a nice little pump. Sprayed it on her hands first and then worked it into the hair from the ends up, stopping halfway, and not obviously to go towards the root, because that just won't make your hair very flat. Okay, well, that is the Allure beauty box. And let me see if I can pick this up without everything falling over. Maybe I should just lay it all down, and then maybe you guys can see it that way. So this is the box for the month of January 2020. Right here, for $15, the mascara paid for the box for me. I love mascaras. Getting the Kate Somerville product and getting the, just really getting all of them. The serum, Hope in a Jar, or Hope in a Jar. The Akara I've seen, I've not tried. And then this hair treatment, I'm always interested in that, you know, to add some shine and as a color protectant. But there's nothing in here that I would not use. So I am very happy with this month's box, and excited, like I said, excited to try some of these. If I don't use the mascara myself, I will share that with one of you in you know, future giveaway, and I'll take pictures of the pages and include them at the end of the video. This way you can maybe read a little bit more about the products in case you're interested in getting this for yourself. And I do get this on Amazon. And when it renews, I think it takes like a week for me to get it. It's really no different than ordering it from Allure. I just don't like Allure's customer service. So when I realized that this was on Amazon, I said, you know what, I'm going to order it from Amazon. I never have a problem with Amazon. If I want to cancel, I go into my subscriptions and cancel it. And I'm just hoping in the future they bring a lot more to Amazon. This way it's one-stop shopping. You pay for it through there. I think you're protected a little bit better through Amazon. That's my video for today, and I appreciate all of you watching, and welcome to all the new subscribers to the channel. I love having you here, and I am loving seeing all your comments, and little by little we'll get to know each other. And as always, I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.